Chapter 1 starts with Janak's question.
Teach me, Lord, how can knowledge be acquired?
How can liberation come? How is renunciation achieved? Sage Ashtavakra continue responding to King Janak's question with this verse. He who considers himself free becomes free indeed, and he who considers himself bound remains bound. As one thinks, so one becomes, is a proverbial saying in this world, and it is indeed quite true. Now, let's embark on a journey together to understand and experience this profound verse first. In a quiet village, nestled between lush green meadows and dense woods, lived Maya, a vibrant golden bird. Maya was known for her enchanting songs, but she sang them from within a cage, believing she was bound forever. Every day, she'd sing of her dreams to fly high and touch the sky, yet she felt imprisoned by the iron bars that surrounded her. The cage, however, was an illusion, created by bird's own thoughts and beliefs. It believed itself to be doer of its actions, responsible of its songs, and thus, it felt bound. One day, a wise old bird visited forest. Hearing birds' mournful songs, the old bird approached cage. "Why do you sing songs of sorrow?" he asked. Maya replied, "I am bound, can't you see? I am unable to fly, to explore, to be free. These chains prevent me." Old bird, with a twinkle in his eye, said, "The chains you see are but an illusion. They are your own creation." Old bird then whispered ancient wisdom into her ear, a truth passed down from generations. "You are not the cage, nor the actions within it. You are boundless, infinite. Recognize that cage is an illusion," the bird explained. "Your desires and thoughts have created this confinement." Maya looked puzzled, but the bird continued, "Just as the sun illuminates the world yet remains unattached, your true self is beyond this cage. The cage is but a temporary state, an illusion." Inspired by these words, Maya began to meditate on her true nature. She chanted, "I am not the cage, I am the boundless sky." Over time, she realized the cage was an illusion, a creation of her own beliefs. With newfound strength, she spread her wings, and the bars that once confined her melted away. Maya soared high, embodying the boundless spirit old bird had spoken of, her heart filled with supreme bliss. It realized that it had never been bound, except by its own beliefs. The cage began to dissolve, and bird felt a profound sense of freedom. It sang a new song, a song of joy and bliss, understanding that it was light that illuminated its world, unattached and free. The wise old bird left, knowing that so-called bound bird had discovered its true nature. This verse underscores the profound impact of our beliefs on our reality, emphasizing the importance of recognizing our own power to shape our experiences and destiny. Let's meditate together on these insights. Close your eyes and take a deep breath, feeling the air fill your lungs and then slowly exhale. Imagine yourself as Maya, feeling confined by the cage of your own beliefs and perceptions. Visualize the cage around you, representing your limitations and fears. As you breathe deeply, see the cage's bars beginning to dissolve with every exhale. Repeat, I am free and not bound. Now, envision wise old bird beside you, whispering ancient truth. You are not your confines, your fears, or your limitations. You are boundless, infinite. As you internalize old bird's words, feel a sense of liberation. The weight of cage, weight of your perceived limitations, lifts. With every breath, you feel lighter, more free. Affirm. I have power to master my mind, which leads to mastery over life. Imagine spreading your wings, soaring high above, feeling the boundless sky, the freedom, the bliss. Allow this feeling to envelop you, realizing your true nature, beyond any self-imposed limitations. Repeat. I live happily in my true nature, in perfect harmony and bliss. Repeat. My true freedom is beyond physical and mental confines. Repeat. I live happily in my true nature, in perfect harmony and bliss. This meditation embodies the teachings of this verse, helping you realize your boundless nature and break free from perceived limitations. Take a few moments to bask in this newfound understanding and peace. You may like to repeat these meditation steps for 2 to 3 times more. As you open your eyes, you feel a profound connection with your true nature, filled with serenity and wisdom. Summary chart represents the key teachings you just have grasped in this beautiful garden with free birds. The teachings from getting freedom from a self-create cage continue to resonate within you, guiding you on your spiritual journey till we meet again on to the next verse.